This kitchen was always dark. The first light that was in here when they bought the house was a ceiling fan and a track light over the sink. So we made a major improvement by adding 9 hi-hats. And then we added the 2 pendants over the island. But it was always dark underneath the cabinets. Well, no more. Now we have cabinet lights. I'm going to show you how we did it coming up.
Once upon a time, a boy met a girl working for a mouse. They fell in love and realized they'd never own their own home working for the mouse. So they packed up a big truck and moved to New Jersey, lived in a basement to save money for a year, and bought a foreclosure to fix up while they lived there. This is their story.
You can see underneath the cabinets here are pretty dark, especially right here by the sink, because there's no light. So we're going to put under cabinet lights. These are from Kitchen LEDs. They go up really easily. These are different than ones that I've used in the past in that these have a diffuser on them. So all that's required, because I've got so many, I've got a nice big power supply here, and so that's plugged in. But over here is just using thermostat wire, 18-2 gauge thermostat wire, and it's single strand, and that makes it easy to go into these connectors. And you can just control them with a home automation controller. This one is from Insteon. That's what we're going to be using throughout this house. And you can see how they work. On, off. And they are dimmable too. And I'm fortunate to have an outlet right here above the microwave. And it is hollow above the cabinets there. So I'm going to put the power supply up above the cabinets. And if you look underneath cabinets, especially the end ones, there's a space here that I can run the wire through without having to drill any holes. I will have to drill some in the middle here, but for both ends, we're golden. Said, let there be light. They are working now. As long as you promise not to judge us, I'll show you how this is wired up top here. But I know it's pretty dirty, but that's what it looks like up there. And she doesn't put anything up there, so it's no problem that the wires are there. And the only one that I had to go through the cabinet was this one, just in the back corner there. And that comes under here and connects to that light. And then from this light, it goes up a little bit into here for these 2 lights. And I put 2 of them here because this is the sink. It needs to be brighter. Plus it's higher. So that's going to be that. Now, I know you can see this, but what I'm going to do is put a 1/4 round molding here. And that will hide it. Alright, well, let's do this. So I hooked it up with the Insteon, and of course it works manually, but I want to make it work automatically. So I am going to look for wherever you have the Insteon app.
Oh, nope.
I'll search.
Okay.
There it is. Insteon. Add a device right here. And it's a plug-in module. And you just have to press and hold the set button. And it found it. And there you go. Now we're going to call this cabinet module. Good. There's the cabinet module. Well, let's see if it goes on. And it does. Let's see, watch. Cabinet module on. Ooh. Right now, we're gonna make it so that it works with her fancy things over here.
Make it scene E.
You've got A, B, you've got A and C. You don't have anything for E.
No.
Okay, we're gonna make it E.
Because then all three of those are for the kitchen on that side.
So we're gonna create a scene, and we're gonna say add a scene. We're gonna call it cabinets. And that's important because this is the name that Alexa is gonna know it as. Cabinets. We're gonna put the cabinet module in.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Thank you, sorry. The kitchen button E, and that's it. Next. So cabinet module's a responder. This one is gonna be both because it's a lighted button. And we're gonna say done. Let's say yes, we'll turn the scene off. Okay, now, when I push the button, it works. Voila. Now, because there's no lip underneath these cabinets, I had to put a piece of molding right here just to hide them so that you don't see them, otherwise they were visible. And under here, I put 2 because it's over the sink and it's much brighter than the rest, so it's perfect. And of course, the glass cabinet with a light in it too just fills the whole thing beautifully. Alexa, turn on the cabinets.
Okay.
Nice.
If you'd like to win one of several official Living Flip hats, complete with a HandyDadTV button, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks.